Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I want to share a review of Atom Bank and what it's like to use this digital-only bank for your financial needs. Atom Bank is a mobile app-based bank that offers savings accounts, mortgages, and business savings products without any physical branches. Everything is done through its smartphone app, which makes it very convenient if you prefer to manage your money on the go. One of the big benefits of Atom Bank is that it often offers competitive interest rates on savings accounts and fixed-term products. If you're looking to earn more on your savings, Atom's rates can be attractive compared with more traditional banks. The app itself is designed to be modern and user-friendly. You can open accounts, check balances, make transfers, and manage your products right from your phone. Because it's digital only, you don't have to worry about visiting a branch, and many customers appreciate the simplicity of the experience. However, because Atom Bank doesn't have branches, all customer support is done online or through their in-app messaging. Some people love this for its convenience and speed, while others miss having a face-to-face option. Atom also focuses on a smaller range of products than a full-service traditional bank. If you need everyday current accounts or extensive banking services like comprehensive business banking, you'll likely need another provider alongside Atom. Overall, Atom Bank is a solid choice if you want a modern, app-based banking experience with competitive savings rates and straightforward services. It works particularly well for people comfortable with digital banking and who don't need branch access. If you've used Atom Bank, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if this review helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews and useful financial tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey everyone.